Okay, for fourth example. So this is, sorry, fifth example. This is quite similar sa atong previous example. Uh, just that the lower and upper limits are changed. So in the previous example, for in our fourth sample, our lower limit is square root of 3 and upper limit is 2. Now for this one, our lower limit is negative 2 and upper limit is negative square root of 3. So again, this is in the form square root of u squared minus a squared, which is equal to positive and negative a tangent theta. So we let then our u is equal to a secant theta. Now let's determine first our u. Our u is x and our a is same square root of 3. Now, unsa man itong gamiton ani for the square root of u squared minus a squared? Are going to use the positive a tangent theta or the negative a tangent theta? So again, we test the values. We have our u. Our u is just equal to x, diba? So we test the lower and upper limit. Our lower limit is negative 2. Upper limit is negative square root of 3. Our a is equal to square root of 3. Now, does our lower and upper limit greater than or less than BA? Since these are negative values, obviously this is less than. How about if we negative RA, negative square root of 3? So negative 2 is less than negative square root of 3. And for this one, they are equal. So walay greater than. So unsay pasabot na, therefore we need to use the negative a tangent theta na part in obtaining the trigonometric substitution for our radical na square root of u squared minus a squared. Okay, let's continue with our solution. So we have here the x is equal to square root of 3 secant theta. And already x is equal to same lagi as before, square root of 3 secant theta tangent theta d theta. So dali na kito nga test, no? Actually, if we're going to test the kuan, the ito gani, the lower and upper limit niya in theta, no, in the variable na theta, same thing like po naman gawas. Ang lower limit is kuan greater than pi over 2 but less than or equal to pi. Okay, let's proceed. So we'll have, so ato lang sa right. First we need to determine what is the lower and the upper limit in the kuan in theta. So we have x over square root of 3 is equal to secant theta, or cosine theta is equal to square root of 3 over x. And we have that the theta is equals to cosine inverse or r cosine of square root of 3 over x. Now if we substitute our lower limit na negative 2, we can obtain that our lower limit, negative 2, is equal to pi over 6 pi, and then our upper limit is equal to pi. So manan siya to ang bago nga lower and upper limit. So we will have the integral of 5 over 6 pi, and upper limit is pi. We have a negative square root of 3 tangent theta over x. Our x again is what? That is square root of 3 secant theta. Now our dx is equal to square root of 3 secant theta tangent theta d theta. So, natin numerator and denominator may square root of 3 secant theta, so cancel out. Then, we will have negative square root of 3 times the integral of, we have a square again of the tangent theta d theta from 5 over 6 pi to pi. So, sa next button, you have the negative square root of 3. The integral of, you have the second square theta minus 1 d theta from 5 over 6 pi to pi. Then we will have negative square root of 3. This is times tangent theta minus theta, and to be evaluated from 5 over 6 pi to pi. Actually, the answer for this one is almost similar. Actually, equal in magnitude with the previous sample, but they are just opposite in sign. So this is equal to negative 0.0931003. Then this will be your final answer. So this is converting the limits of integration. So muna siya no nga, since in the previous examples we have the indefinite integral, we do not care with the quantum limits of that one. Now we have the definite integral, and since ato ang definite integral, ang yung first form is with respect to x. Therefore, and then we convert, or we are gonna use or substitute the trigonometric substitution. And ato ang variable is the theta. Therefore, we also need to change the lower and upper limit, no, from with respect to x to with respect to our theta. Okay, for our sixth example, we have the completing the square. So what is this one? What is completing the square? So now lang tayo given, no, this is very simple with the integral of square root to sa diretso. Wala siya nakakuan, fraction form. So this is just the integral of x squared minus 2x dx. So sa may buhato na to ano. Ito lang siyang complete the square. So this is equal to integral of square root of x squared minus 2x plus 1. And don't forget, plus 1 minus 1. So kung plus 1 tama, minus 1 sa top. That is adding and subtracting dx. And integral of square root of, ato lang i-factor out the binomial, then we will have the x minus 1 squared minus 1 dx. So, when you tanaw na, this is in the form u squared minus a squared is equal to a tangent theta. Diba? Our u is, our u is x minus 1, which is equal to, our a is just 1. So we will have a secant theta, or just secant theta. So our dx is just equal to what? That is just secant theta, d tangent theta, d theta. So we just convert this one. This is equal to integral of tangent theta on account of this radical, and then our dx is secant theta tangent theta d theta, which is equal to integral of secant theta tangent squared theta d theta. Convert lang natin si tangent theta. We will have secant theta times secant squared theta minus 1 d theta. Now let's try to distribute this one. We will have integral of secant cube theta minus secant theta d theta. We'll have integral of secant cube theta d theta minus integral of secant theta d theta. So natay duha ka paano itong integral. Kasi iba ito na ito ani, ato siyang tungaon no, para mas dali na ito ma-solve. First, we have the first term, we have the integral of secant cube secant cube theta d theta. Saan na to? Secant cube theta d theta. So what we're gonna do with this one is that we use the integration by parts in the form uv v du. So our u should be secant theta. So since secant theta na, therefore our dv is secant squared theta d theta. So nga na to dv is secant squared theta d theta, dili man si secant theta d theta. Ngayon dili si secant theta daw nganong si yun si secant squared. Of course kay by simplification, kabalo jud ta nga if we let our dv as secant squared theta d theta, dali kayo na ito makuha yan integral v which is equal to tangent theta. Diba? Dali kayo. And we know also that our du, the secant theta is equal to secant theta tangent theta d theta. So we'll have uv. So this is in the form integral of u dv. That it should be equal to uv minus integral of v du. So uv, we have the secant theta tangent theta minus integral of v du. Or v is tangent theta. Our du is secant theta tangent theta d theta. So we'll have the integral of secant cube theta d theta is equal to secant theta tangent theta minus integral of secant theta tangent theta d theta, tangent square theta. This is equal to secant theta tangent theta. So si tangent squared theta, again, i-convert na to into secant. We will have secant theta times secant squared theta minus 1 d theta. So we will have is equal to secant theta tangent theta minus integral of secant cube theta d theta plus integral of secant theta d theta. So kinyo nang namatigdan nun, balik-balik na sa ikuan si secant cube. Kung ato pa ni siyang integrate by parts, magbalik-balik ka. Magbalik-balik ka, wag ito ay kahumanan. So isa may buhato na to ano. I-transpose na to ni siya on the left side. So we will have integral of secant cube theta d theta plus integral of secant cube theta d theta is equal to, we have secant theta tangent theta, and then the integral of secant theta, that is just the natural logarithm. So we will have plus ln of secant theta plus tangent theta. Next, kung sa ibuhaton, they have the same terms, so gura na sila ma-add. That is just equal to 2 times integral of secant cube theta d theta is equal to secant theta tangent theta plus the natural logarithm of secant theta plus tangent theta. Pero ato mong ginapangita is just the integral of second cube theta d theta. So sa ibato na to para ma-eliminate si 2, very simple. You just multiply the whole equation with 1/2, and then you already have a solution. Second cube theta d theta is just equal to 1/2 second theta tangent theta plus 1/2 is the natural logarithm of second theta plus tangent theta. This is, don't forget the plus c. So this is somehow your general solution for this given differential equation. Okay, ako lang i-realize si general solution that is equal to 1/2 second theta tangent theta plus 1/2 is the natural logarithm of second theta plus tangent theta plus c. Don't forget the c. So minus na ito buhaton, di ba ito siya i-revert? So earlier, di ba natay condition nga x minus 1 is equal to second theta. So if we have our right triangle here, and we have an angle theta. So second theta or cosine theta is equal to 1 over x minus 1. So that is adjacent of hypotenuse. We have 1, and then we have the x minus 1 here in the hypotenuse. And then the other leg, we will have x minus 1 squared minus 1. So from these values, no, we know that our second theta is just equal to x minus 1. And from the triangle, we know that our tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. This is equal to x minus 1 squared minus 1 over, our adjacent is 1, or just simply this one. So we just rewrite our final answer. We will have 1/2 second theta that is equal to x minus 1 tangent theta times square root of x minus 1 squared minus 1 plus 1/2 is the natural logarithm of x minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 squared minus 1. Plus c, again, don't forget the plus c. And then this will be the final answer for this specific